I often find simple hierarchical frameworks to be good mental models to help me to understand and explain a situation. So in this video, I want to answer the questions: what is MOST and what is GOSPA? MOST analysis is a business tool used for setting strategic direction, but it can also apply in the project environment. MOST stands for mission, or mission statement sometimes, objectives, strategies, and tactics. MOST is usually used to analyze an organization's internal environment, and it's great for transforming a woolly vision into a detailed and practical set of plans to bring about change. MOST analysis can also create clear goals and targets for each member of a team. At its core, it helps us to articulate and to answer the question, how does this help us to get to the next level? MOST helps you keep your strategies and your tactics relevant, accountable, and focused on the goals that matter most. You can use MOST at various levels, from the enterprise level to the functional level, delivering functional objectives to further your operations. These can be in areas like marketing, sales, production, or even support services like human resources and IT. And of course, MOST can also be used at the project level. Mission describes what your organization or your project is there to do. It's about your purpose and your reason for being there. So, if you don't have one, you should consider crafting a mission statement for your project. Objectives are the measures of success for your strategies and your project, and usually those measures will be set against your goal or your mission. Strategies are your medium to long-term approaches for meeting your objectives. Strategies will change over time to accommodate external changes and influences and shifts in priority. Tactics are short-term activities that you carry out within the wider parameters set by your strategies. Tactics change far more nimbly than your strategies do in response to challenges, problems, setbacks, but also opportunities. The MOST framework is widely known and widely used, but it wasn't originally designed for the project environment. The GOSPA framework was designed for the project environment, although it is sadly less well known. GOSPA stands for Goal, Objectives, Strategy, Plan, and Activities. GOSPA is a hierarchy that covers project definition, tailoring, planning, and delivery, the whole project management process. Goal articulates the aim of your project and answers the question, what do you want from your sponsor, your client, or your stakeholders? Objectives set out the basis for assessing the success of your project. They answer the question, how do you want it? And they are usually framed in terms of schedule or time, budget or cost, quality, and functionality or spread of requirements met. Many people find it helpful to articulate their objectives using the SMART framework, ensuring that their objectives are specific, measurable, agreed, realistic or relevant, and time-bound. There are many different formulations of the SMART framework, and if you find it useful, then please do use it. In the context of project management, I think of strategy as about choosing the right development approach, the right project lifecycle, the right contracting approach to serve your project. Strategy is all about tailoring the broad picture of how you deliver your project to meet the needs of the individual project within the context of the organization and culture that you're working within. So, to secure an effective project, you need to ask yourself, what methodologies, what frameworks, what tools, what processes will you adopt? And when you make those choices, you have your strategy. Plan is about the project planning process that draws together things like scope and scheduling and budgeting and resourcing and quality management and all of the different aspects of how you're going to deliver your project day to day. Finally, activities are the detailed tasks that you need to make sure get done and get done properly and get done on time to deliver your project. The MOST and GOSPA frameworks are both simple and effective thinking tools or mental models to help you understand the big picture of your project. Please do give a thumbs up if you like this video. I'll be creating loads more great project management videos for you, so please do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any of them. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one.